Life in the future, a tech that will change the way we live. It means that technology has the power to do many things, and changing the world is one of them. We are privileged to be living in a time where science and technology can assist us, make our lives easier, and rethink the ways we go about our daily lives. Invention of flying cars. When there is no space left on the roads, it's not unreasonable to think we might take to the skies. There are already plenty of interesting flying car designs that show this future is a realistic possibility. Perhaps, if it's not flying cars, we might all have other forms of personal transport. For example, jetpacks have been a popular pursuit of inventors and thrill seekers for decades. Roads over rivers. Space is finite and running out quickly, especially in crowded urban spaces. This concept shows a future where roads and living spaces have moved out over the water. When self driving vehicles do all the work and are fast enough, journeys across the ocean this way might not be unrealistic either. Solar panel technology. Solar panels are another technology that has been around for a while, but their future potential is huge. Not only can they now be hidden in the tiles on the roof of your house thanks to Tesla's solar roof tiles, but some companies are developing ways of integrating them into car roofs where they will be able to power in, car tech, or make the battery last longer. Hyperfast trains. Another Elon Musk backed company, Hyperloop, is a high speed underground transport system that is currently being built and tested in America. The first route planned will go from Los Angeles to San Francisco. Another route is planning to go from New York to Washington, D.C. in 29 minutes rather than the 2 hours and 56 minutes it takes at the moment. Wearable screens. We might be having foldable phones and screens, but the future might be screenless. There are plenty of touch capable projector like devices that can beam usable screens onto your skin or clothing. The future of smartphone tech might not require a device in your pocket, but something you wear or implanted. Smart toothbrushes that send data to your dentist. We already have intelligent toothbrushes which keep an eye on your brushing technique to make sure you are doing a good job, thorough job each time you brush. But what if your toothbrush could send that data to your dentist so they don't even need to ask if you are flossing daily? Or perhaps less terrifyingly, using sensors to monitor your dental health by scanning for cavities or plaque buildup. Smart mirrors that check your health. A quick glance in the mirror each morning gives you a visual cue on how you are feeling and good and looking to the outside world. And now imagine a future where smart mirrors could scan you and tell you about potential health problems, vitamin deficiencies, or warning signs of underlying issues. Preemptive information about these symptoms might help you prepare. 5G connectivity. 5G is quickly becoming a reality and could offer faster than wired download speeds wherever you are. As you can imagine, fast connection speeds without overcrowding will open up a wealth of possibilities for connected devices. Everything from home appliances to cars and gadgets we have yet to even invent. Robot soldiers. Robots are running theme for the future tech in our list, but Boston Dynamics is constantly working on machines aimed at supporting or taking an active role in the military. It's perfectly reasonable to imagine a future where robots are sent to fight our battles in the place of men and women. These expendable machines are more likely to get the job done without fear, injury, or problems with PTSD or follow up care if they get hurt. Nanobots that check your health. Other robotic technology is being employed to monitor and care our health. Tiny microscopic nanobots could theoretically be deployed to scan and monitor our insides to hunt out health problems. They might also be used to repair damaged organs or carry out intricate and delicate surgery procedures and remove the need of invasive traditional surgery. This could mean less time in hospital, less recovery time, and fewer scars too. Li-Fi. Li-Fi has been experimented with for the few last years and has some interesting potential for uber fast data transfer speeds. Li-Fi uses light to transmit data rather than Wi-Fi's radio waves. This technology is theoretically capable of transmitting data at much higher speeds and is also less prone to interference. Because the visible light spectrum is around 10,000 times larger than the radio spectrum, there is a lot more potential for bandwidth. It's also thought that Li-Fi does manage to take off and will be considerably cheaper than Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching me, Harpreet's PPT.